Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I've got the Curtis Knives F3 Large Damasteel here with me for a quick review, but hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. Look at this, what do we have here? We have a nice pouch with this Cordura kind of fabric going on, beautifully in like fuzzy, padded, velvety kind of interior with a pocket to put your knife. It's nice with some velcroed patch, of course, Curtis Knives custom. And here you have this beast of a knife. This is Curtis Knives F3. This is a large, and it's showing off a pretty cool Damasteel pattern right over here. It's a big boy. This is the large version. In fact, it's going to be close to 9 inches, like 8.75 inches with a 4-inch long blade and 3.5-inch long actual cutting edge. And overall length of the handle is 5 inches. So it's not a small guy by any means. It's a titanium frame lock. In this case, you've got a flamed set of scales. You have a nice chamfering going on. There's no internal skeletonization. You have, of course, this oversized pivot over here. Look at this job. And of course, you've got a nice and custom pocket clip, which is tip-up carry only. And aggressively jimped titanium backspacer, lanyard hole. And you've got your beast of a blade, in this case, Warncliffe Damasteel. Look at this. Look at this. It's this jimping that I love, hollow grind. I mean, this guy runs on bearing and it's absolutely smooth. It's a beast of a knife. This is not a light one. Let me just check quickly the weight of this big boy, because there's no internal skeletonization, and this is going to be weighing it at 7.08 ounces. And let's just check quickly in grams if this wants to show us 200 grams. So yeah, not a small guy and not a light guy for sure. You've got some nice titanium hardware going on. There's a lot to like about this one, but hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.